AV.
I'm not good at guessing age. I know it's really more with old people, but I mean, you're not supposed to guess old people's age as well. I know, I'm saying like with 50 plus people, but then you're not supposed to guess people's ages correctly when they're 50 plus.
All the Bhamla Foundation, Jimmy,
Yeah, great.
सब लोग, इमरान इधर आ प्लीज.
I just finished it.
वाकेला, राज भाई इधर आओ, सारे इधर आओ. तिवारी इधर आ, तिवारी. नहीं एक मिनट इधर. रफीक कहाँ है रफीक? सुनो बेटो.
I would like to thank thank you so much. I would like to thank the Bhamla Foundation and Cares Entertainment for giving me this opportunity and giving me this platform. And with this, I would really like to thank them. And I would like to sing my own composition now.
You all here again for the World Environment Day, which we are celebrating thanks to the Bhamla Foundation and the government of Maharashtra. It's wonderful to see all of you out here, and the most important thing is that today we take a pledge within ourselves to do more to save the environment. It's very easy to fall back on our old habits, throw things out the car window, use plastic bags, but it's time, and it has been actually, it's over time, that we take those decisions that are going to make a difference. So today, each and every one of you have to practically understand, when you go to the market, when you go to the shop, carry a cloth bag with you, or just say no to plastic, whatever it is. Sometimes we just carry something small, you know, and we take a big bag for it. Just carry it in your hand and go home. It makes a difference. Also recycling, to reuse things that we already have. In India, ये तो हमारी परंपरा रही ही है कि हम reuse करें, recycle करें. So let's get back to that. Things that help nature instead of destroying her. So many beautiful things that nature gives us. It should be around for generations to come. So this evening it's going to be fun, and it's going to be all about the cause, and there's going to be a lot of entertainment as well. Our respected Chief Minister is going to be joining us soon, and also we have celebrities, singers, actors, and lots of media personalities to come and endorse this cause. So thank you all for being with us, and let's truly honor World Environment Day today and make a difference in our lives.
Thank you, Ruby. And you know, it's the whole evening we have to talk and talk and talk about the environment. So let's get ready for the cyclothon, the green ride. Firstly, I would like to call Mr. David Cardos to please come. Please allow Mr. David Cardos. Sohail, Mr. David Cardos to please come. So Mr. Ashish Shelar and Mr. Asif Bamla will go on the road, flag off the green ride, cyclothon and skating.
Feel the heat this evening? But that's not a good thing. Remember, global warming is taking over. The more pollution we do, the more we use cars instead of trains, the more we use personal transportation instead of public transportation, the more we are adding to our carbon footprint, which is making it hotter and hotter every year. We all manage to survive because we have our ACs and fans and comfortable lifestyles, but just think about the animals, think about the birds and the trees. Everything is suffering, and without them we cannot live. Without trees we cannot survive. We can bottle our water, but we can't bottle oxygen. So every time you feel hot, just remember you have to do your part to make sure that we now tone it down.
Absolutely, Ruby. A lot of messages to be given to the people out here to save the Mother Earth.
Well, I think it's really nice that we have the metro now, because at least through public transportation, we all have an opportunity to save that much petrol. And it's easier on your wallet as well. So why not?
Yes, sure. So the event has been flagging off by Mr. Ashish Shelar and Mr. Asif Bamla. By the time I'd like to call Ms. Leena Mohri to please come on stage to felicitate the very beautiful Sneha Ullal. Sneha Ullal to please come on stage. A big round of applause for this wonderful lady. For all the best wishes for our movie Sneha Ullal. You have seen her in Lucky. Yeah, that was the movie, and you look really beautiful. I'd like to Leena Mohri to please.
Sneha, I would just like you to say a few words, whatever you feel, whatever changes you have made in your life personally, and whatever you would like to suggest to people that they can do in their lives.
Very recently, I read this amazing paragraph online that just imagine if trees gave out Wi-Fi signals. We wouldn't be planting so many of them, but it's kind of sad that it produces something that we take for granted, and that's the oxygen that we breathe. So let's stop chopping them. The birds need the trees, we need the trees, and it starts at your home. Protecting the environment starts at your home. If everyone did just a little bit, like stop plastic, stop newspapers at your home. You have apps that you can download now to read these papers. It starts there, and if we could just do a little bit to protect the environment, very soon the protection wouldn't be needed anymore, and the environment would be protection free. So start now, stop these plastics and chopping trees, and use your apps to read newspapers and everything. Start with these little things. And the most difficult of all, which I kind of fight with, is try and be a vegetarian, and start with just once a day. Just make it a day that Sunday I'm not going to eat non-veg. It will help the environment, because animals are here to exist. They're not here to satisfy our stomachs. Just say one thing. I keep saying that my stomach is in the graveyard. So try and be vegetarian and help the environment as much as you can.
Thank you. That was from the heart. A big round of applause, please. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Sneha. Big round of applause for this.
And this is also a beautiful gesture, Mehraj, that offering of a plant rather than cutting flowers and giving. So thank you, Sneha, for being here, and we have a lot more celebrities who are going to be joining us to endorse the cause. And does anybody out there have a suggestion for saving the environment?
Lot of suggestions. We have a workshop going on, if you see, on dirt. Nourish Your Mind. Beautiful concept by Christopher, Natasha and Priyanka. We thank you. Really, Christopher, you're doing a superb job. And next to that we have Sauchalaya.
You're talking about dirt. Sorry to interrupt. Dirt, you said, right?
Dirt, Nourish Your Mind.
Raj gave me the visiting card. You know what Dirt's visiting card is? See, again, just using our minds. It's a visiting card that's actually a small brown envelope, and inside are tulsi seeds. So everybody gets tulsi seeds, and then you just...
Basil leaves and tulsi, yeah.
Basil leaves. So you just throw them, and they will grow. So that's another way to raise awareness and also to raise interest. We should be interested. We can only be interested if we see it growing in front of our eyes. So having your own plants, nurturing them, taking walks in nature, being with nature makes us appreciate the value. If we're always inside in our AC cars and AC homes, then we feel like we don't need nature. But when we get out there, you feel the difference. So happy World Environment Day to everybody.
A very, very happy World Environment Day to you, Ruby. And as we see, Mr. Prasun Joshi, famous lyricist, is here.
Big round of applause for Mr. Prasun Joshi.
Joshi.
Thank you for joining us. Thank you for supporting the cause.
I'd really like to thank once again the Bhamla Foundation and Mr. Ashish Shelar for really supporting this event. The MLA of Bandra Assembly
Has been doing fabulous work with the children, for the environment, and of course for Bandra. And we really, really are proud to be associated with him. And every year, the World Environment Day being celebrated right here on the promenade. But there's nothing like a cycle. What do you say? When was the last time you all went on a bicycle? 50 years, 30 years, 20 years? Abroad, people are doing it all the time. Keeps you fit. Like I said, saves money also. And if you can, in India it's a little difficult because the roads are not that safe. But if we could just cycle to work, we wouldn't have to remove special time for exercising and things like that. So these are the things that if we make them cool, then it's not so difficult to look after the environment in the first place. Why only watching a movie? Why not taking a walk, or things that actually are beneficial to us and to the environment?
And carpool also. I mean,
carpool, yeah, carpooling.
Yes. Ruby, I want to tell you one thing. I've got these two super dudes over here who, actually I'm their very good big fan. I've been watching them, and I like to call on stage the real Rudies, Raghu Rajiv. Big round of applause for Raghu and Rajiv.
Woo! See, just check out the fitness level. You can tell that they've been doing
sir,
their...
भड़कना नहीं है सर, मेरा कोई एकदम जरा प्यार से सर. Environment की बातें करें. Raghu is the man. Okay, now the mic goes to Raghu and Rajiv both. Please, you're a role model, you're an idol. People will definitely listen to you. Some tips for the people to save the environment.
Yeah, and how do you keep yourself so fit and young? Share that, please, come on.
We don't have money for petrol. This is an illusion, yeah. So no, really, I really want to really appreciate everybody who's come here. And hopefully you'll become ambassadors of the cause and you will spread the word. There's a very basic change, small change in attitude that we need to bring. But it's fundamentally, it'll change the way we behave. our world, our city, our earth is not something that we've inherited from our previous generation. It is something we've borrowed from our next generation. Just remember that, and you have to find this, you have to leave this place cleaner and happier than you found it. This is something that we do, and we really think that it's a win-win situation. Taking public transport or cycling is good for your health, good for the earth, good for everybody. Yeah, I want to give a big thank you to the Bhamla Foundation and Asif Bhamla Saab. It's a very good initiative, and thank you all for being here. मैं जानता हूँ कि यार लाइफ में बहुत संघर्ष है, बहुत स्ट्रगल है, और एनवायरनमेंट तो ठीक है, सभी है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सभी कर रहे हैं, और ये बहुत चलता है, एटीट्यूड सबका रहता है. आई थिंक कई चीज़ें, इनफैक्ट हमारे देश में ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. अगर आप दुनिया घूमोगे तो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस है, हमारे देश में थोड़ा कम है, इसलिए ऐसे इवेंट्स बहुत काम की चीज़ है. लिटरिंग अगर आप कम करेंगे, अपने हेल्थ का ख्याल रखेंगे तो एनवायरनमेंट का भी ख्याल हो जाएगा. आप चल के जाओ, साइकिलिंग करो, कार इतना यूज़ मत करो, लीटर मत करो. और मैं टीचर नहीं हूँ और ट्यूशन नहीं दे रहा हूँ. ये तो बेसिक चीज़ें हैं. आप कहीं भी दुनिया में जाओगे तो ये चीज़ें आपको करनी ही पड़ेंगी, तो हमारे देश में रह के हम क्यों नहीं करते. थैंक यू अगेन आसिफ बामला साहब. Thank you for inviting us here.
Thank you for having us here.
Good pleasure.
Rajiv ji.
And Ruby is disappeared.
She's just coming back. She's scared. She said, "ये लोग आ गए अभी." Okay, I'd like to call Mrs. Alka Kerkar to please come on stage and felicitate the super dude roadies, Mr. Raghu and Rajiv.
You have to stop saying that.
No, you have. No, you are actually. We admit that. Mrs. Alka Kerkar, please. The Honorable Deputy Mayor of the MCGM.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mrs. Alka Kerkar doing superb job from the BMC. Sapling given by Alka Kerkar ji to Raghu and Rajiv.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Oh yeah, I have lots of these at home. My wife really loves gamlas. Thank you for this.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having us one more time, and thank you.
Thank you so much, and I'm sure this is going to make a good place at your house. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you, Raghu Rajiv. And we have Urvashi Sharma, the XXX energy drink owner to please come on stage. Urvashi ji, aap please aaiye stage par, the owner of XXX, and she's been.
And Vivek is always supporting every good cause that's out there, so thank you Vivek for coming here and being part of World Environment Day.
Mr. Bhamla giving away the sapling to Priya Dutt ji. Mr. Vivek Oberoi? Yeah. Okay. She's going to give a few goodie bags, Urvashi ji to Vivek and Priya Dutt ji from XXX. Priya Dutt ji, the ex-MP, has been taking care of Bandra from last 15 years, and I know she knows more than any of us about Bandra. I would like Priya Dutt ji to please share her ideas on the environment. Priya Dutt ji.
And also, Priyaji, tell us about your secrets of fitness, because it looks like you've been out there as well doing your part. You're looking fabulous.
Not much really. No.
Jogging at Carter Road, Vivek is saying.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate Asif and his entire team, his foundation, for organizing this every year. And you know, this is a great platform for all of us, for all of you, to really come together with one voice on how we can save our environment. This planet does not need us. We need this planet. And I think that's the thought we should go ahead with. And we need to really put forth what we can do to help our environment, help our city. Let's forget what the governments are going to do, if we have laws in place or not, but individually what we can do to save our earth so that we build a better future for our children. So thank you very much, Asif, for giving us this opportunity and this platform.
Thank you very much, Priyaji. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
And Roshi ji will give a goodie bag to Priya ji from Triple X. We met this gentleman many places, share our ideas and everything. And the best part was he came forward for this. He supported the event. The great Vivek Oberoi. Big round of applause for this. So Vivek Oberoi, and we have Mr. Ramdas Kadam, the Environment Minister, Government of Maharashtra, Mr. Ramdas Kadam. Thank you so much for being here. And we're talking about environment. The Minister himself is here. Vivek, आपको लोग wait कर रहे हैं. Come on. Big round. आप लोग जोर ताली बजाएं तब तक ये बोलेंगे नहीं. And मुझे लाइन है ना आपकी.
And Vivek ji, I would also like to commend, in all good humor of course, कि आप अपने jeans को कितना recycle करते हैं. देखिए ना. See, he's standing up for the environment. Let us know what you're doing in your personal life for the environment. Share it with everybody. I'm sure it'll be an inspiration.
Thank you, Ruby. Hello, Mumbai. How are you guys doing? Firstly, यार आप सब लोगों को सबसे बड़ा, सबसे प्यारा मेरे दिल से thank you. बारिश हो रही है, पहली बारिश, सुहानी बारिश. इससे पहले गर्मी थी, बैठने के लिए जगह नहीं है, इतने सारे लोग आए हैं. उसके बावजूद you guys come here, you support this event every single year. I just want to say thank you to the commitment and the spirit and the amazing people of Mumbai.
Woo!
I want to say thank you to Asif. He's been a really cool guy, working really hard towards preserving the environment. Aaj subah my father was telling me, he said ki the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So to answer Ruby, who also is somebody who works so hard for so many causes, wonderful soul. What are we doing in our personal life? Plant as many trees as we can. I think that's the most incredible thing. Small things to preserve the environment, save the environment. I have a dream because I've got kids now. Do bachche mere. So I want to give them a better Mumbai, a better India, a better world. I was just thinking that I'd like to be living in a world where we don't have to protect the environment. You know, protecting the environment is not part of our lives. Our lives are such that the environment is automatically protected. So that's what I would love to wish here. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivek.
And also, Vivek, one dialogue from one of your films, please. Something, which you know they're gonna love.
Hey, Ganpa.
Vivek Oberoi. Okay, ek do cha line aur yaar, come on. You hardly come. People, you know, see you on these places.
You see, there's a line baz जो लिखते भी हैं और बहुत अच्छा बोलते भी हैं और कभी-कभी गाते भी हैं. मेरे बहुत घनिष्ठ मित्र हैं और एक प्रकार से बड़े भाई भी हैं, गुरु भी हैं. सामने बैठे हैं मेरे. तो in front of him I can't do anything, but I can only request him to come on stage.
Prashant Joshi ji, please come on stage.
Brilliantly talented, multi-award winning, completely social,
absolutely, Vivek.
Socially aware citizen of India, Mr. Prasoon Joshi. Guys, give him a big hand here. Come on.
And also, I must say, very patient, very quietly and humbly he's been waiting.
I was waiting for Honorable Chief Minister to come, and I was supposed to come on stage then. But thank you, Vivek, for inviting. And no.
We'll call you sir all the time sir. आपको तो आना ही है.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि हर साल की तरह आसिफ साहब ने जो अपना जज्बा है वो कायम रखा है. बहुत आसान होता है चीज़ों को शुरू करना और बहुत मुश्किल होता है उनको कायम रखना, क्योंकि आपके चारों ओर इन्वायरमेंट बदलता रहता है, उसके बावजूद आपको चीज़ें चलानी होती है. और आज इन्वायरमेंट डे मेहरबान भी है आप पर. और all I want to say is that I think we talk global all the time and we forget that the buck stops at us. I think as Priya said a while back, and this is really something, a day to remind us. I think people can go home and start living their own lives yet again and forget about what we did today. But I think it's just a reminder. All these days, people are cynical about celebrating days. Actually, they feel, why do you have these special days? And people get together and you see a congregation of people. और उसके बाद हम घर जाते हैं और फिर भूल जाते हैं कि हमने क्या वादे खुद से किए थे. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि लगातार हर साल हम एक दूसरे को रिमाइंड करते रहें और उसके बाद एक सिलसिला चलता रहे. तो मेरा आप सबसे यही आग्रह है, मैं बांद्रा में रहता हूँ, अपने घर से ही शुरुआत करें और घर से पहले अपने मन से शुरुआत करें. मन में भी बहुत कूड़ा करकट जमा है, उसको फेंके पहले, फिर आगे बढ़ें. तो
थैंक यू President. This opportunity people won't get.
Yeah, exactly.
Back to life, President. Oh my God.
Yes,
उनको सोचने दीजिए आराम से.
गाना इतना बड़ा है, क्या क्या निकालूं उसमें.
चलो हंसी को रिवाज कर, चलो हंसी को रिवाज कर ले. है मौन एक मोतियों की माला, कहीं किसी पल जो टूटे टक से. है मौन एक मोतियों की माला, कभी किसी पल जो टूटे टक से. तो टिप्पे खाते हजार मोती यूं खिलखिलाएंगे जैसे सोते से पानी जागा हो बाद बरसों के जंगलों में. है मौन एक मोतियों की माला, कभी किसी पल जो टूटे टक से. तो टिप्पे खाते हजार मोती यूं खिलखिलाएंगे जैसे सोते से पानी जागा हो बाद बरसों के जंगलों में. कभी हुआ ना जो आज कर ले, चलो हंसी को रिवाज कर ले. हंसी लुटा के हंसी जुटा ले, हंसी लुटा के हंसी जुटा ले. ये छोकरी है बलिष्ठ भर की, मगर है करतूत कमाल इसकी. लगा के ठट्टे जो गूंजती है हवेलियों में, लगा के ठट्टे जो गूंजती है हवेलियों में. पुराने चांदी के बर्तनों को रगड़ रगड़ के कोई दिखाता हो धूप जैसे. पलक झपकते ही दूर जाती है खिल्लियों सी. ये दूर है इसको पास कर ले, चलो हंसी को रिवाज कर ले.
क्या बात है सर. सीरियसली you've taken our heart away. Thank you so much Prasoot ji.
Beautiful.
Bamla giving away this. Okay, well we'll call him again. Not now. Let the CM come and then we'll call you again, sir. Yeah, please, sir. So just another 5 minutes. Okay. Mr. Bamla will give. Yeah. Urvashi ji will give a goodie bag to Mr. Prasanna Joshi. Urvashi. Vivek Oberoi also. Thank you, sir. Urvashi ji. Triple X is doing really good. I want you to, respect the audience and say something about Triple X.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for coming, first of all. And yes, we have started and we are doing very well.
Oh, we have Gurmeet also. Gurmeet! Please come on stage, Gurmeet. Come on! Poonam Dhillon ji, aaiye jaldi. I can see Poonam Dhillon ji. Please come on stage. Poonam Dhillon ji, Gurmeet. These people are...
And the ever beautiful, ever graceful Poonam ji, whom we've been seeing for so many years.
Gurmeet ji.
She's as captivating as ever. She's like a flower. She's just like a beautiful flower.
Beautiful pink flower we have. Poonam Dhillon ji with Gurmeet. I would like to call Mr. Bamla to please give away sapling to Mr. Gurmeet.
Glittering stars have come out to support this cause.
एनर्जी है ना, ट्रिपल एक्स पी रहे हैं हम लोग. एनर्जी आ रही है.
पूनम जी, आप हमें बताइए, what is the secret of your glow? इतने सालों से हम देख रहे हैं, such a beautiful glow you have. Please tell us.
Thank you, Ruby. You're a very kind lady. Thank you very much. आज ये मौका ब्यूटी टिप्स खुद की खूबसूरती के लिए नहीं है, हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को, हमारे शहर को, हमारे देश को, हमारी पृथ्वी को कैसे खूबसूरत बनाना है, उसका दिन है. तो मैं एक छोटी सी बात सिर्फ कहूँगी. कंजर्विंग वाटर हम सब बोलते हैं, पर कैसे करना है. आज सुबह जब मैं लिटरली आई मीन इट्स अ पर्सनल थिंग, बट शावर लेने हम जाते हैं, हम काफ़ी देर तक नलके को ऑन रखते हैं, पानी बहता रहता है, शैम्पू लगाते हैं आराम से। मैंने लिटरली एक बकेट में पानी भरा, आधी बकेट लगती है नहाने के लिए। तो आप सोचिए आप कितनी बाल्टियाँ सेव कर सकते हैं अगर हम इतनी छोटी सी चीज़ करें। ब्रश करते वक्त अगर हम छोटा सा मग में पानी रखें, आप लिटरली एक मग में ब्रश कर सकते हैं। तो इस तरह की छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, बोलते हैं ना घरेलू नुस्खे हैं। आप अपने माहौल को, पानी को बचाइए, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही कीमती चीज़ है। आप सोचिए कभी आपकी सोसाइटी में पानी बंद हो जाता है एक दिन के लिए, कितनी तकलीफ होती है। कभी पाइप टूट गई तो बोलते हैं आज पानी नहीं आएगा, हम सब लोग परेशान हो जाते हैं। सोचिए कितनी अहम चीज़ है हमारी लाइफ में, तो उसकी कदर कीजिए, उसे बचाइए। सिंपल थिंग्स लाइक दिस, नल को खुला मत छोड़िए। तो आपको ये खुद आप बीती बातें बता रही हूँ जो मैं खुद इस्तेमाल भी करती हूँ और उनको अपने बच्चों को भी सिखाती हूँ। हम अपने बच्चों के लिए घर, जायदाद, दौलत सब बैंक में रखना चाहते हैं, वो सब करना चाहते हैं, बट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है हम उनके लिए एक अच्छा माहौल छोड़ें, एनवायरनमेंट, पर्यावरण अच्छा छोड़ के जाएं, तभी हम लोग उनके लिए, उनकी सेहत के लिए, उनकी तंदुरुस्ती के लिए कुछ कर पाएंगे। आप सबसे अर्ज है, ये याद रखिए, मेरी छोटी सी गुजारिश है आपसे, लेट्स सेव आवर अर्थ एंड मेक इट अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस टू लिव इन फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रन। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू पूनम जी। गुरमीत सब है इधर।
हाय एवरीवन। आज बहुत अच्छी शाम है और बारिश भी आ गई। बिल्कुल जैसे आपने कहा, बिल्कुल सही कहा। अगर हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों का ख्याल रखेंगे तो बहुत कुछ बदल सकता है। अगर हम पानी का ख्याल रखें तो बहुत कुछ बदल सकता है। अगर सफाई का ख्याल रखें तो बहुत कुछ बदल सकता है। हमें बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, थोड़ा सा करना है। उस थोड़े में हम बहुत कुछ बदलाव दे सकते हैं। थैंक यू
गुरमीत एंड पूनम जी। मिस्टर बामशिम स्केटिंग, कम ऑन। ओ खोला उनको बैरिकेड। बैंड्रा साइकिल क्लब के टी-शर्ट जो पहने उनको प्लीज अंदर आने दीजिए।
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Kunal Kanjawala.
I must tell you something about Mr. Kanjawala is, from last 15 years, I've been seeing Mr. Kanjawala in every event of Bhamla Foundation. A superb man, supporting every cause of the foundation, and thank you so much, sir, once again for being part of this wonderful evening. I would like to call Vishal Sharma, Mahesh, Ajinkya, and the BCC Bandra Cycle Club, the cyclothon team, to please come on stage, and Mr. Kanjawala to felicitate them.
Oh, a big round of applause for our cycling club.
And Mr. Ashish Shelar also to please come on stage. Mr. Ashish Shelar.
They're really doing what is required, and that's a wonderful thing, because like I said, fitness and environment they go hand in hand. We keep ourselves fit, we keep the environment fit, everything works in natural harmony. Thank you, all of you. Congratulations. Very nice.
And the skating team, the Burning Wheels, to please come, Hashim and the group. Mr. Kanjawala, please give sapling to Mr. Vishal Sharma. Sir.
That's going to make for a smart picture.
This is for Vishal ji and the entire team of the Bandra Cycle Club. Very supportive. They have a mandate to give to Mr. CM when he comes. I'll call you again. Thank you so much. Thank you. And Vishal.
Bhamla Foundation has been very instrumental in saving the environment, and we do our part by the cycling in the city of Mumbai. Well, cycling has evolved over the last year and a half, and we would request everybody to come on cycle and save the environment. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vishal. And from the Burning Wheels, Mr. Hashim, the skaters who came all over from Bombay, Mr. Hashim. Thank you so much, Hashim. Burning Wheels has done a superb job. Thank you, everyone. Your mandate, when Mr. CM comes, I will call you again.
See, he's already taken away the plant from me. I'm a very green person. My surname is Ganjawala, I always say. My ancestors were in a very noble profession. We were licensed druggists. Lots of smiles on everybody's faces. That's good, but सिर्फ शब्दों से काम नहीं चलेगा। यहाँ एक शाम होती है हर साल, स्टेज बड़ा हो गया है, स्पॉन्सर्स बढ़े हैं, इसका मतलब the Bhamla Foundation is making inroads, and I congratulate the Bhamla Foundation on the same. But we'll all have to do better than this, क्योंकि हम सब आंसरेबल अपने आप को है। अक्सर ये होता है कि आपको लगता है कि पॉलिटिशियंस और फिल्म पर्सनालिटीज़ यहाँ आकर बोलते हैं, हम अपने लिए बोलते हैं, आपका वजूद आपके हाथ में है। अगर इस शाम को सिर्फ लिप सर्विस अगर आपको देनी है तो मुबारक हो आपको, क्योंकि जैसा हम करते हैं वैसा हमें भरना पड़ता है। सो एवरीबॉडी हु एक्चुअली wants to make a difference from his heart will contribute to the environment, और वो देख रहा है। फिर आप करो ना करो, it will take everybody in turn, and be careful when your turn comes. I don't know any other way of saying things. I may be a film guy, but I talk straight from the heart. All the best to you, and I'd like to sing one line, not sing, just play one line. सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है, न हाथी है न घोड़ा है, हमें पैदल ही जाना है। So all the best. Do whatever you can to contribute for yourselves, whether it's putting solar panels, saving water, having a green terrace. Do whatever that matters in your small way, and be responsible. God bless.
Achievement and hard work towards the environment. He's got a lot of thoughts for the people. He's done superb. He's with the Ministry of Environment. And Mrs. Anni Thakur, Mrs. Anni Thakur has been a super activist of